Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha narrates that once a Jewish woman came to her and said, "The punishment of the grave is because of urine." Aisha rejected her claim, but the woman insisted, saying that they apply some material or animal skin on the body or clothes to protect from urine. Hazrat Muhammad S.A.W. was at that time preparing for prayer, and during the conversation their voices became loud. Prophet ﷺ asked what was going on, and Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha informed him about the Jewish woman's statement. Prophet Mohammed S.A.W. acknowledged the truth of her statement from that day onwards. After completing the prayer, Prophet Muhammad S.A.W. would supplicate with a loud voice, "O Jibrail, O Mikael, O Israfil, the Lord of Allah, save me from the heat of hell and the punishment of the grave." Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23232.